Today I am going to expand on just only one word, Atmahana. Let's repeat the Upanishad. Third mantra, third sutra in Isavasya Upanishad. Asurya namate lokaha antena tamasavృతాః तागस्ते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति एके चात्महनो जनाः. Atmahana. Even while you are alive, saying yes to death is Atmahana, hell. Even during the so-called death, saying yes is liberation, enlightenment. Varanasi stands for that principle of saying yes to life even when it presents death. Listen. Saying yes to life even when it presents death. Saying no to life in any form is Atmahana. Understand? If you feel, if you perceive life is doing something against you, life is not letting what you want happen, this feeling, life is not cooperating with me, supporting me, making what I want happen, this feeling is as universal as universe itself. Understand this truth is from Akashic records. Listen. Listen. I am colloquially presenting to you, means in the user-friendly language I am presenting. Maybe I will read the original Akashic records as it is and then present it to all of you. By its own existence, it expands into possibilities. Because of its existence and saying Tathastu to life, yes to life, life shows you the possibilities which you declare as denied to you. If life is interested in denying, it will not even show its possibilities to you in the first place. Its possibilities, by being revealed to you itself, the yes is given to you and your decision, expression to live is accepted, respected, encouraged by you claiming life is not cooperating or supporting into what you want, you are denying the very revelations and expressions happened to your very consciousness. Listen. By its own light, moon shows the black patches inside it. By its own light, moon shows the black patches inside it. On new moon day, you will never find black patches of the moon. Only on the full moon day, you will find the black patches. It means by its light only, even the black patches are found. If you are finding the black patches of the moon is shining, reflecting light. Understand? Because the possibilities are revealed to you, you even come to know about those possibilities. For example, you think flying is possible for you, and then complain life is not letting you achieve that. Becoming a billionaire is possible for you, and then complain life is not letting you to achieve that. Understand? The very moment life informs you something is possible, it is saying yes to you. The very moment you come to know flying is possible, becoming billionaire is possible, life is supporting you. That is why it is even making you understand it is possible for you.